Hello friends, this is Rajan Petkar and you are watching Mastercam Basic Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss pocket operation while milling the component shown in figure. The raw material dimensions are shown here and component thickness is 5 mm. To start Mastercam, press F9 button to see the axis. Now I will use here rectangle command to draw the geometry. With the first point at center and second point anywhere I will click and use angle to center option, then use the length and width angle. Right click and click on fit so that you can see the option. Complete this rectangle command. Now I want to draw circle slots of 20 is distance to this center and the circular slot having diameter 10, that is the radius 5. So 5 by on both sides added, so 20 plus 10, 30 will be total length of that slot and 10 is the width of that slot. Okay. So here is the create rectangular shapes command, or I can go to create rectangular shapes. Base point, select the base point and that will be, the base point will be here of this particular shape. So I will select that shape and here the base point coordinates I have to use, that will be from center, it will be 30 plus 10, 14 x direction and in y direction it will be 30. Just type here x and y coordinate. For first slot -40, press tab and y coordinate 30, tab. Then here is the point. Second point I can select anywhere because I have option to define length of this slot. So I will give here length 30, press tab and width 10. Then add here. So again draw another slot. Then for the second slot, x coordinate. For the base point is 40, y coordinate 40. Then click here somewhere and give this 10. Now I will come to this command, this type of shape. Click OK. To complete this command, now for other two slots, I can use X form. So here X form, translation, mirror, rotate, these are the options. So I will use translate. Just use drag to select these two slots and enter. In translation command, along y direction I have to translate by distance -60 and it will appear like this. So now I will tell another command. So just I will cancel this command, translation. Again go to X form, use mirror command. By similarly by drag, select the object, enter, and along y axis I have to mirror these objects, these geometrical components. So click on for axis y and OK. So this is the complete geometry. Isometric view, go to solid, extrude. I have to create a solid component. So just select this geometry and slots. Everything will be extruded. Click OK. Now you can see the slots are showing downward direction while the geometry main rectangle is showing upward. So just click on that geometry and make it downward and extrusion value 5 and click OK. Okay, just check it in shaded view, make it wireframe for our convenience. Top view before starting the operations. Machine type milling default. Just click for properties plus icon and go to stock setup. Use bounding box for the raw material. Here you can see the raw material is 160 by 110 by 7. Okay, so 55 mm extra in x and y, and total thickness in Z is 7. So that is optional. I can use 7 or 9. Just I will show you how I can give this thickness. Now here add 5 mm extra along x and y. So total will be 10 along x, y, and for z I will use 2 mm extra material. So total in z it is showing 9 mm. Okay, just click OK, and front view you can see here 2 mm extra in plus z, as well as that is on the top side, and at the bottom side also 2 mm extra that we can keep extra on the bottom side, or if we want as per our requirement exactly 7 mm, again go to stock setup and make it 7 and OK. Okay, so bottom there is no extra material. Top view, before starting the operation go to facing, click OK and select the geometry. Okay, now here by default facing operation is there. Then select the tool from library. I will select diameter 5 flat end mill, or diameter 10. Select the holder. I will use here zigzag cut parameter, and depth cuts I will keep here for facing 1 mm and 0.5 finish cut. Linking parameters on everything, and keep absolute. Depth will be 0 for facing operation. Okay, and other parameters are increasing here. Okay, and here okay, make it isometric view. Just check it. Now to check the toolpath properly, I will keep it front view and go for backplot option and on. You can see here first rough cut it will take. Just zoom it. You can see here it is at 1 mm depth, not up to the top of the face. It will cut, or it will machine the whole surface. Now it is completed. Now second cut it will take with depth of cut up to the top of the face. Again front view, you can see now depth here up to the top of this geometry. Okay, now go to top view, hide the previous operation, and next we will start contour operation. Click the geometry, press the OK button. You had seen here the arrow was left to right. Okay, we have to remember that. The same tool we will select, and the holder. Then cut parameter here, left side compensation, as per the arrow we had selected. Left to right was the arrow, and tool was on left side. Depth here I will use 2 rough cut, and for finishing not required for removing adjacent material. Linking parameter in the same way, keep everything absolute mode. Depth here will be -5. Okay, just click OK and check the operation in isometric view. Like this, the tool will cut one by one layers. Okay. Now check the animation. See here, up to the bottom, all material is machined. Top view for further operations. Now go to pocket operation that we are going to discuss here for this slot. Pocket, chain option should be selected. So just by clicking at one segment, the whole slot will be selected. Then second slot, third one, and fourth. Click OK. Now by default here pocket will be selected. Just select properly the tool from library. Here just click on diam column to arrange diameter wise the tools, and here total diameter is 10 for the corner, so I will need tool less than 10 diameter. Okay, so up to 9 diameter I can select. I will use flat, instead of flat I will use ball and mill 5 diameter. Click OK. Same holder. Then depth cuts I will keep it 2, and finish cut not required. Then go to linking parameters, click this one, absolute. Depth, first of all I will show it depth up to -5, up to total depth as we used in the contour operation. But now we will check first how it will machine the component. You can see here, let us check in top view, it is not thoroughly cut, okay, because of the circular end of the ball end mill tool. Okay, so either if it will be a flat end mill, then we can then it will had perform the operation thoroughly. Okay, now go to parameters and change the depth of cut. Either we can change the tool flatten mill, or we can change the diameter. Okay, because it is not it will be a ball end, so diameter sorry depth will be -10, that is more than 5, then only it will perform the operation. So here it is a cross symbol, so I will regenerate this operation, and now check the animation. Just play it and you can see now the slot is thoroughly machined. So like this it will machine the particular slot. Okay, now select here tool group, all the operations are selected, and now for everything check the animation. First facing will be performed, just speed it up, and contour operation, and then pocket operation. Now click OK button. The next just you can on or hide these operations. After this just check here G1 symbol, this is to generate the G code M code. So toolpath group is selected, all the operations below that are selected, and here I can generate the NC file for all the operations. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.